It took me nearly 3 months to learn how to sleep with my hair at this length because what I was doing before was not working. And every morning I woke up, my wash and go was ruined, but I fixed it. You're gonna need 3 things. You don't wanna grab something tight like this. This is going to ruin your curls and you're gonna be upset when you wake up. I'm gonna use an adjustable scrunchie so it can be as big or as little as you want depending on how much hair you have. I'm going to gather my hair back gently, trying not to disturb the curls. I kept sleeping with my hair in the pineapple and it kept being ruined every morning I woke up because it was stretching the hair and it just didn't look good. So I'm just going to gather like this and then loosely put this around. Okay, so it's like really not tight at all. It's kind of just like holding it in place. If it's too tight, it'll leave a dent, and again, at this length, it just like makes your curls go weird. Next, I'm going to take a scarf, put it over like this, and tie it in the back. And then bring it up. The scarf helps to just hold everything into place, but you still need one more step of protection. So I'm just gonna grab my bonnet and just put it over like this. And it doesn't slide off during the night. My hair is secured, but it's not tight to where it's ruining the curls. So I'm gonna wake up in the morning and show you how it looks. Okay, let's take